Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video and turn on the notification bell. Today I'm going to do a video which is totally different from usual. I am usually doing fashion illustration, but this time I thought why not to do something different, as I bought this sketchbook on from Amazon. Oh, sorry, no, from Shein, and it wasn't such a good sketchbook for painting, but I thought why not to try. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. I thought why not to just paint with you guys and do a paint with me video for this week, as I haven't done any videos this week, as I was feeling very low and I was feeling tired. I don't know for what reason, but yeah, I was feeling a little sick, so I couldn't film any video. I wanted to film fashion illustration, but I couldn't, so I thought why not to post this video, even though this video I was thinking to post on next video, but unfortunately yeah, I think I wanted to post more fashion illustration, as you guys like my fashion illustration videos, but I was seriously wanted to do something different, as I wanted to try portrait art and something different. I wanted to do this art for Inktober, but I couldn't do that. So yeah, I couldn't do that. So I thought why not to just post this and yeah, be done with this week, as I wanted to post one week, I mean in a month I wanted to post 2 fashion illustration and 2 or 3 these kind of art. As I said that I was trying a lot of sketches and I was doing so much like sketching and illustration just to study more and try more different type of what do you call it, just sketching. And yeah, I wanted to try something different, as the fashion illustration is really like detailed. I wanted something which can just be easy and have fun with it and talk to you guys, and that's it. That's what I wanted to try. And yeah, I really enjoyed painting this. I wanted to try something different, as I said. I wanted to try a two-tone skin, like giving it a pink and orange kind of skin, as I wanted to test my abilities and get new skills as an artist. Obviously you're not we're learning every day, so yeah, you can just not sit around and be happy with your own skills that you have already. So you have to learn every single day, and you have to try what do you want to do as you grow up as an artist. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing the skin, and I really liked it how it turned out. I didn't thought that it would be this good, but yeah, I like it how the orange and pink goes well with each other, and the skin looks so beautiful to me. I really like it. I don't know about you guys. I hope you guys like it too. But yeah, I really like it how it turned out. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. I mean, actually, and even the paper, it wasn't such a good paper, as it was made to do watercolor on it, but I still managed to do it, so I did it. the hair I wanted to go a little more different as well. I'm saying like it's an angel. I wanted to do something unicornish, something pretty pastel. I really love pastel colors, so I wanted to do something like that. But as I say, oh my god, my cat is crying, so I gotta go and look. Okay. And yeah, I just kicked out my cat out of room so he can shush a little bit. Anyway, yeah, I love pastel colors and I love pink hair a lot, so I thought why not do something different, as I said before and many times in this video. But yeah, I wanted to do a pink hair and pastel hair, so yeah, I was trying that, but it didn't work so well. Yeah, I love the skin though, but yeah, the hair didn't work for me so well. The purple just hit it so bad and I couldn't like rub it perfectly. Rub it, I mean, take out the excess paint from there, because the paper is such a, it can tear apart, so I was scared that it would rip off, so it's better for me to just stick with it and try to make it look okay. So yeah, I'm just going now on the top of the hair and get really nice, I don't know what do you call it, twirl or something. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. I was doing that and I was enjoying it to paint though, but I was a little disappointed with the hair. I was expecting a little bit better than this, but it didn't, blend in well, so yeah, but otherwise I like it. It wasn't that bad. So yeah, what do you guys think? Please let me know in the comments so I can know your perspective. After doing the hair, I think it looks quite nice now that I see it. Yeah, it looks fine, but I think I just wish that I did the background much better, because I was, as I said, that I didn't thought the skin would be this good, but the background I was thinking so much of. And the background is more like a pink sky to me. I was thinking and imagining that that's what I'm gonna do with that, but yeah. And the dress, I was really confused what to do with the dress. I mean, there's so much pink going on and I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to do like a really peachy skin color kind of a dress, because of course it's I don't know, I mean, I was confused and I didn't understood what to do. I wanted to do a yellow dress, but I thought it would be too much. And yeah, so I just thought that let me do a light pinkish shade so it will go well with the whole, the theme that I'm going with. And I guess it looked fine. Yeah, it didn't look so weird as I thought it would, but it went well. I was a little skeptical about it till the end, but yeah, it went well, which I'm happy about. You can see the paper is grainy, and I mean it's kind of getting like a weird I don't know, a mark instead of like a weird shade is coming through the paper, is because it's not meant to be of watercolor paper, so it's my fault that I did that. But yeah, I thought it will handle it, but I couldn't. So, and here I'm doing the background, which wasn't a good decision to do it. I thought the dress and the face, I mean the skin tone, everything looked so nice, and I just ruined the background. I don't know, I was tired maybe, and I wasn't thinking straight. or I knew this I should go lighter, but I didn't want to risk the paper to tear up because I cannot do much layers in there. But yeah, I still took that risk and did that. Oh my god, my camera shaked and I didn't edit that. I have to edit that. And here you can see I used a little extra dark color, which ruined it more, and I was so disappointed, so sad that what the heck did I do to this background? It's ruined. It's completely ruined. But yeah, that's what I did. I think this is the next day. It's the day of my birthday. I am doing this. Yeah, I believe it's my birthday. Why am I saying birthday? It's my birthday. My birthday is on 6th of October. Yeah, I did wanted to finish this video. I knew that I won't be able to do it because I had some appointments the next day and some other works, and also my sister's birthday was coming up, so I thought why not to just finish this and get over with it so I can prepare my fashion illustration next for you guys, but I couldn't do that as well. And yeah, so this is what the video is right now for you guys. I hope you guys like it. I mean, I really hope you guys like it because you guys are amazing, and I have 400 subscribers, which is amazing. I'm really thankful for you guys for subscribing. I mean, I never thought that I would get 400 subscribers as far as I have gotten. You know, it's just been months and 7, half a year, and more than that, I mean 8 months now. So yeah, thank you so much for subscribing, and yeah, I'm really happy that you guys like my videos. Please keep on watching them and subscribe and like my videos and comment down below so I can talk to you guys and know your point of views. Then what do you think, your suggestions? So yeah, please do that. Here I am trying to do some clouds, which I really failed miserably, but I still thought, why not? Just do it. It's fun. But it wasn't fun. It just messed everything according to me. But yeah, I still tried. I don't know, I was trying so much to do on the background, which I didn't like at all. It was like, it was a mess to me. It wasn't neat, it wasn't clean, it wasn't, I don't know, it wasn't blending well. Even to the down, like her elbow down, you can see the pink shades. I think they look good. Just the top was irritating me and bugging me, so I was kept lightening up with more and more white, and I was using the acrylic for the clouds, and yeah, that's how it turned out. Hope you guys like it. And there my cat is. He's such a jumpy cat. He likes to be near the window, and that's why he just ran off over my work, and he likes to climb up on the table. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye.